Welcome, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me today for this beginner's neck and shoulder stretch video. I'm Jen Hilman, and I'll be your guide for this short and sweet stretch to help relieve tension in your neck, shoulders, and upper back. So go ahead and like this video, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And whenever you're ready, make yourself comfortable in a seat. You could be sitting on the floor or even in a chair, wherever you feel the most comfortable. As you get settled into your seat, feel a sense of grounding through your pelvis down into the earth. And simultaneously, tap in to a feeling of lift and extension moving up your spine and out through the crown of your head. As you breathe, let your shoulders relax down the sides. Just letting yourself feel grounded, centered, and present as you settle into this seat. Now, the beginning of all yoga practice is the breath. So tune in now to the rhythm and the flow of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. So what sets yoga apart from just any old movement or stretching is the conscious connection to the breath. So we learn how to use your breath to help you relax and find more spaciousness in your body. So wherever you find yourself in your practice, continuously come back to the awareness of your breathing. Now from here, we're going to begin to move into some nice, easy head rolls. Still lifting up through your spine, and just letting the head roll itself around. Gently loosening up through the neck and the tops of your shoulders. When you're ready, you can reverse directions, letting your head roll the other way. Staying connected to the rhythmic flow of your breath, and just observing the sensations as you roll your head around. And when you feel complete, you can gently roll your head back up to center. Then wrap your right arm across to your left shoulder. I'm going to bring that left hand to your elbow and begin to press your right arm around. Keep lifting up through your spine, feeling that sense of extension as you press the right arm around. So you should feel a nice stretch along the back of that right shoulder. Breathe into that space, creating more openness and relaxation. And we'll open your right arm out to the side and circle it all the way up towards the sky. Then bend into that elbow, letting your hand drop down to the nape of your neck. Circle your left arm up and over, grabbing a hold of that right elbow. Then gently press your elbow towards your midline. So we're pressing the elbow towards center. Now be careful not to hunch forward. Keep practicing a sense of lift. The more you lift up through your spine, the more stretch you're going to feel right in the shoulder joint. So breathe into that sensation, allowing your body to open. And we'll slowly release the right arm down and circle that arm all the way around your back. See if you can bring that right hand all the way around to the left side of your waist. And we'll bring that left hand to anchor your right hand in place. Now, roll that right shoulder back and turn your gaze over the left. So you should feel a sense of stretch across the right side of your neck, across the chest, and or the front of the shoulder. So you may be feeling it in any one or multiple of those places. And we'll slowly release back to center. Then wrap that right hand over to your left knee. You can bring your left fingertips back, leveraging yourself into a twist. So we want to work a good rotation in your spine. Press that right hand against your left knee, helping you get a deeper rotation through the shoulders. Then bring your left hand behind your head. Start to lean your body over towards the right, reaching that left elbow up towards the sky. So we have a side stretch along the left side body at the same time that you're working the twist. Then we'll slowly rise, coming back up to center, untwist, all the way back to the front. And let's just take a full round of breath. Notice how you feel along that right side. And we'll prepare to practice on the left. So wrap that left hand across to your right shoulder. Bring your right hand to the elbow. Start to press that arm around, giving yourself a hug. And even as you practice this stretch, you could even think some loving thoughts to yourself. You can give yourself a little pat on the back and thank yourself for taking some time to stretch today. And we'll gently release the left arm out and up, reaching your fingertips to the sky. Then float your left hand down to the nape of your neck. We'll circle the right arm up and over, taking a hold of that elbow, gently pressing your elbow towards center. Keep lifting up through the chest. Maybe you could even lift your chin a little bit, pressing your head back into that left arm. But just take it in incremental steps, little by little. We'll slowly release the left arm all the way around your back, bringing that hand to the right side of your waist. Grab a hold with your right hand. I'm going to roll the left shoulder back and turn your gaze over the right. So we actively stretch across the left side of the neck, the pec, and the front of the shoulder. So feel whatever you feel and breathe into that space. And gently release the left hand and reach that hand all the way over to the right knee. Working your way into a twist here. Don't just think about twisting from the lower part of the spine, but if you use that left hand to press against the right knee, you start to get more rotation in the upper part of your back. So we really want to work into the thoracic part of the spine. And go ahead and bring your right hand back behind your head. We'll start to arc up and over towards the left. So we've got a little bit of a combo stretch going on here. We've got the side bend with a twist. So breathe into the sensation, whatever you feel. And we'll slowly release, coming back to center. Making your way back to the front, just relax your hands on your lap. Take a full round of breath, observing the sensations in your body. On your next inhale, open your hands out wide, stretching your arms out towards the side. Then we'll exhale and close your palms together in front of you. Then interlace your fingers here. Flip your palms to the front. Scoop your belly in, rounding your spine as you stretch your palms forward. Inhale and rise. Sitting up nice and tall. Lifting up out of your waist. We stretch your hands open to the sky. Then exhale and gently release, circling your arms down and around. Now, interlace your hands behind you, squeezing the palms together. Roll your shoulders on your back as you gently start to curl your heart open towards the sky. Stretching through your chest. We'll exhale and release. Back to center, letting your hands relax back into your lap. Let's come back to those little head rolls. Moving nice and steady. Rolling your head around. Notice if it feels any different than when you first sat down in your practice. You can reverse directions whenever your body is ready, observing how it feels on the second side. Slowing down, being present with the sensations. You can roll your head back on top. Coming to that nice tall seat, let's roll your shoulders around a few times. Rolling the shoulders up and back. You can reverse, rolling the shoulders up and forward. Nice work. Just let yourself settle back into that seat. Take a moment to reflect on your practice. You can even close your eyes, just turning your attention to your breath, getting really present with the feelings that you feel in your body. Bring your hands together at your heart. Feeling gratitude and love for your body. Thank yourself for trying something new and exploring what yoga has to offer for you. And thank you for allowing me to be your guide. I look forward to continuing the journey again with you. So come on back soon. Until then, Namaste.